Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the fascinating world of quantum machine learning, or QML. It's where quantum computing meets machine learning, and trust me, it's mind-blowing. So, what exactly is quantum machine learning? Imagine combining the raw power of quantum mechanics with the intelligence of machine learning algorithms. QML uses quantum bits, or qubits, instead of classical bits. The cool part? Qubits can exist in multiple states at once, allowing parallel computations on a massive scale. This means quantum computers can process and analyze huge datasets way faster than classical ones. Why is this a big deal? Well, think about optimization, pattern recognition, and data classification. These are tasks that can grind even the most powerful classical computers to a halt. But with QML, we're talking about finding solutions to these complex problems in a fraction of the time. This opens up new frontiers in fields like drug discovery, financial modeling, and cryptography. Imagine discovering life-saving drugs faster, or cracking complex financial models with ease. But let's keep it real. Quantum machine learning is still in its infancy. The technology is evolving, and there are hurdles to overcome, like error rates and qubit stability. Nevertheless, the potential is enormous. We're on the brink of something revolutionary. So, if you're a tech enthusiast like me, keep an eye on this space. Quantum machine learning is set to change the game. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this dive into QML, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious. Simple AI watermark text.